Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to remove a cabin filter on Nissan Qashqai. So the cabin filter located under the glove box. So which is right behind the plastic cover. So see this one here. There's two screws. It's holding by two screws. So I took the screws off. Now just pull this one out. So this one doesn't have a cabin filter in there. It's missing. So I'm going to put a new one in. Okay, so that's a new one. To put it in, what you need to do is you have to bend it like a bit like this, because it doesn't go in easy because of those the heater core pipes. So just space is a bit tight here. So you just squish the cabin filter in like this and then install. Okay, so I'm putting the new one in. So gently just go both sides and keep pushing it. Okay, that's good. That's in now. As you can see, the cabin filter is in. Alright, so I'm going to put the cover back on. Just make sure it's sealing properly. So I'm going to put the cover back on, the two Phillips head screws, and it's done. So thanks for watching. If you like my video, please subscribe to my channel to keep getting more and more updates. Thanks, man.